Hi there, my name is Denis Denisenko. In this video, you'll learn how to add a proxy to a Dolphin anti-browser profile. There are several ways to add a proxy to a browser profile: when creating a profile, when editing a profile, or by adding or editing proxies on the proxy screen, or bulk adding or editing proxies via the bulk profile management panel. Important: this feature is only available on paid plans, adding during profile creation or editing. You can learn about the browser profile creation process in the video manual linked in the description of this video. First, you need to select New Proxy, then enter the proxy in one of the supported input formats. Examples are shown on the screen. Additionally, you can specify the type at the beginning to the left of any proxy. Examples are also shown on the screen. After entering, you can click the arrows at the right end of the line to check the connection, geolocation, and time zone. There's also an input field for an IP change link. If you're connecting rotating proxies, after pasting the link provided when purchasing such proxies, an IP change button will appear on the profile screen. Or if proxies were already added previously, you can choose from the list of previously created proxies. Adding via the proxy screen works exactly the same way. Just click the Add Proxy button in the center of the screen or at the top right near the search bar and repeat the process described above. Editing or adding a proxy to a single profile. On the Browser Profiles screen, find the proxy column and then click the pencil icon to the right of its name. Then, similar to the previous option, you can add or edit a proxy by choosing one of three options: No Proxy, New Proxy, or Select Proxy if they were created earlier. What if there's no proxy column? You need to add the column by clicking on Column Settings. Here you can select all the columns you need for convenience or remove unnecessary ones. Bulk editing or adding proxies to profiles. This functionality is only available on paid plans. Simply check the boxes for the profiles where you want to change the proxy. In the action panel that appears at the bottom, click Change Proxy. Similar to the options described above, No Proxy to remove proxies from profiles, New Proxy to add a proxy to the selected profile, or Select Proxy to set a previously created proxy. As a reminder, for all new users, we have a 20% discount on the first payment using the promo code YouTube. With a one-time payment for any annual plan, you receive an automatic discount of 40%. Don't forget to comment on the manuals and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the latest updates and project news. Thank you for watching.